Hi, my name is Liliane Poirier, and today we are going to make the yummiest smoothie ever. It contains all these gorgeous fruits. We're going to start with an avocado and a lime. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, and they're also good with vitamin E and K. So you just cut your avocado in half, twist it, just take the tip of your knife and just pull it. Cut your avocado in 4 and you can just peel it off. Now I'm using fresh lime juice, but if that's not available, you can always buy the prepared. This calls for 2 teaspoons of lime juice. And 1½ cups of pineapple. Now this can be fresh or this can be canned. 1 tablespoon of Atlantic honey. 1½ cups of orange juice. Now I have store-bought orange juice, but you can use your fresh. You'll get more fiber. Blend this mixture. Now add 1 cup of crushed ice. Look at the nice festive color. So as this is Christmas time, you might want to replace the usual eggnog that you serve and serve this nice healthy drink. This is perfect for lunches when school starts again, and it's perfect to bring to your office. So we can garnish this to impress your guests. Strawberry in this one, some nice dried cranberries for Christmas cheers, a few blueberries on this one. And you add a straw to this one, fresh mint. And remember, think healthy, eat healthy. Bye.